back. I'm going to pull this mic over here. We're going to try something here. I have launched from a different launcher than normal, but it used the Mikomi Java, which I installed first, which I was not able to successfully get running in OBS. I was able to get it in OBS, but whenever I would be in the Star Sector game, a Dion would report that the game would be frozen, and I could verify that with my phone. So the game would only be unfrozen when I'm tabbed out and looking at OBS. So I can't play the game on stream. Was my situation before. Now we're going to test it. I've got it loaded up. I see it's moving back there in OBS. The little 1 button and the 5 button have their little things moving around. So that's good. So we look at the phone. And we hit Profile, My Channel. Okay. Is it moving? Nope. Oh yeah, it is moving. I do see the bottom thing moving, but not. I'm in OBS. It's, okay, I can hear myself. Alright, now we're in the game. Let's go to the planet. Should be able to see me at the planet. Nope. So, we still have the same problem. It could be that... I don't know. I'm not sure what the problem is. I'm going to try changing the properties on a capture method to just Windows 10 and up. So you should be able to see the screen now. Yep. Okay, so that's because I tabbed back out. I'm going to leave the place. Okay, well, it's not letting me leave. It's not letting me have a mouse cursor. I no longer have a mouse cursor. I could do a 7. Okay, I've done 7, and I'm back at the planetary screen. You can see my mouse cursor, but I can't. Yeah, it's broken for me again. I don't understand why it's breaking, but it's broken. I have to be launching from the normal Star Sector launcher. I can't be launching from the better Java launchers. It's not working for me in OBS. I don't get why. Turn it down a little bit on my phone. Well, hell. Did I just change something else? I think I did. No, I don't want filters. I did change the Windows 10 and up. Let's see if it's working now. So I'm going to click back on the planet. You should be able to see me on the planet. Nope. So it's not working. I'm just going to Alt F4 out of the game. Cancel this. I think that when I installed the Mikomi, it like left the files on my computer. I think I might do a total wipe. I'll save my save files and mod files, copy them out, delete everything, uninstall, and then reinstall, and that should get rid of the Mikomi. And then I'll install the Trios. So this is going to take me a while. So we're testing here. We're still in the testing phase. I could stop streaming, even. But I need to be streaming, so the stream is part of the test. So. Okay. So Star Sector. Yeah, I still have these Miko batch files in my thing. I think that might be messing with me. It's like trying to start the TriOS, but it's using Miko because Miko got installed first. I see the uninstall, so I want this one, screenshots, and saves. Star sector mods and mods. Moving for now mods, okay. So we say Control X on that. On the desktop, new folder. Open you up, paste all that stuff. Continue. Okay, that was quick. This hard drive is fast. And now we do uninstall. I have my original VIP RAMs. I'm not going to need that. I'm going to reinstall Star Sector completely. Should still have my... I don't think I do still have my... I have to re-download Star Sector. I'll take a second. Okay. Star Sector is not running. I'm uninstalling. Next. Uninstall. Finish. Okay, so we're deleting all the other stuff that was left here. Delete. Fractal. Program files. I'm just going to delete the whole Fractal folder. Okay. And now we re-download. You should be able to see this. Add-on, no, thank you. Star Sector download. There it is. You guys see that on the stream? Yep, you can. Well, now you see the new tab. Oh, you don't see that because I was in Chrome. Fine. Not that it matters. Oh, we're downloading it twice. Okay. Cancel that one. You don't need to see it. Yes. Next. I agree. Next. Next. Install. Okay. Go back to square one. This is the page I just went to. Download this. Download Star Sector, everybody. It's really good for you. Give the guy money. He deserves your money. It's a really good game. We've completed the Star Sector wizard. Minimize that. Minimize OBS for a second. Now we have a Star Sector on our desktop. Yay. Let's click it. Should be anything in here. Mods, nothing. Cancel. If I hit play, it shouldn't allow me to continue. There should be no saves or nothing in here. Does it load up? It did. OBS recognizes Star Sector. So yeah, it's not letting me continue. I'm also don't have a mouse cursor. I think that might be a Firefox thing. Let's close Firefox. Still no mouse cursor. Okay. Explain that. Turn off my settings. No. Oh, it's OBS. Sometimes it's OBS. Yeah, now I have a mouse cursor. It's this. It's a scene. For some reason, in this scene, it's taking out my cursor. There's something else going on. I don't know. I have to go back to my StarCraft 2 scene. And now I have a cursor, but I can't continue. I can only do a new game. If I loaded game, there's no game. So that's perfect. We're quitting. We're saying yes. And we're going to be launching from the TriOS. So we're going to go back to our... or reinstall it like it's supposed to be installed. To go back to downloads, please. There it is. So let's extract this. TriOS Windows. Okay, let's go to Star Sector. Now program files. Fractal Works, Star Sector. We'll just drag the Trios from the zip file into a thing, copying it. We'll say continue for the administrator. Now we have Trios on there. So now we're just going to try to launch from Trios directly with that. It's giving us the Windows error. So we say run anyway, more info, run anyway. We have Trios. Admin needs permissions for some files. VIPRAM is not writable. Okay, so let's close Trios. And right click on Trios, say run as administrator. Say yes. And now we go to dash. JRE and RAM settings is what I'm looking at now. I want to show you guys this. So in OBS, I'm going to duplicate this thing again. Okay. So I should be able to just mess with the duplicated one, and maintain the one that kept my mouse cursor. I'll try to keep my mouse cursor. I don't understand that problem. So in this, we're going to add a source window capture, call it Trios. Okay, there it is. It doesn't have audio, so I need to capture audio. So now it's in the game. Now we have it. Wait, let me click on it. Control F. That's to auto fit into the window. I can drag it down so my camera's over it. Okay. Put it under star sector. Now we're in Trios. We do this one. I am sure I want to download it. I have to close out of this for some reason. Not letting me change the VIPRAMs. Okay. I've already downloaded it. I want to install it. It's downloaded. How do I install it? Reload? Ship whole module not found. Let's just close and reopen again. Run as administrator. Yes. Click this button. It says we still haven't downloaded it. I'm also still not able to change this. I don't understand. Cannot write to the VIPRAMs file. I just did run it as administrator. I don't understand. I've already downloaded it. Do it again. It's not functioning correctly. It's supposed to say something like open here. Open, are you sure you want to open this file and install? Why? What's going on, guy? Oh, this is how to start star sector. No, so it's able to start star sector, but it's not completing its task. Run as administrator. Yes. Son of a bee. It's not working. It's not recognizing that I'm running it as the administrator. What the frick? Oh, technology. You're my bane. I've already downloaded it a million times now. This should look different right here. It should say try running. It shouldn't say this. Try running Trios as administrator. That's why I'm going to keep getting this error. It's just nothing's going to happen after I download it. Never mind. I just have to be patient. There it is. Mikomi additional settings? No. I want this. There we go. I'm scared of the Mikomi. Okay. I was able to change that. So let's exit again and see if the changes has affected. I'm gonna right click it, run as administrator, say yes, click this little button. That's changed. Ah, I can change my RAM now. Okay, we go back to 8 RAM. Excellent, 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 excellent. You guys see that? You guys see that? Oh, this is good. So this is making me happy. I'm not going to do the Mikomi because the Mikomi is kind of what screwed me last time in OBS. Or is what, it's not, it didn't screw me, but it's not working for me in OBS for whatever reason. Okay, so we got 8 gigabytes selected. Can we unselect this? Reselect it? Unselect it, reselect it. Let's say launch. We got this Mikome is hijacking your Star Sector thing. Star Sector 2, launch again. Ah! This is what I don't want to see. The Mikome Star Sector screen. This is not what works for me. Can you guys see that? No. Let me minimize TriOS. Minimize the administrator hijacking your Star Sector thing. I really don't like that. Why does it say... It opens up an entire window on your computer and it says administrator. Mikome is hijacking your Star Sector. Then it gives you all the little command dumps. So 941 thread 1 info com.fs graphics.texture loader cleaned buffer for texture graphics UI. And it's just like, you know, 12 of those things and nothing else. And then it opens up the little Star Sector prompt. Like, this is bad coding. You just want the Star Sector prompt. Okay. Oh, I'm going to try it. I'll click play Star Sector. It's probably going to do the exact same thing it did last time. You might see it loading. You don't even see it loading. Okay. So I may have to do it as a new source. Again. Let's try this. OBS. New source. The issue may be that I have to do a direct display capture, which is obnoxious. I want to do a window capture or a game capture. Let's try game capture. Stars 2. Okay. Specific window. Window. Star Sector. Capture audio. Crossfire capture? No. Say allow. Say Control F. And then click on it. And you should be able to see it. You can't see it. Oh, I can see it. I'm in the game. What? Properties. Capture specific window. Java Star Sector. Window match priority. Specific window. This is all good. I don't understand. Why is it not showing up? What's the deal? Capture specific window. Capture. It's not a full screen application. I could try capture any. It's not there. There's nothing there. I'm back in the game. It should pop up when I go back into the game. So that's not working. I exited the game. Maybe we just try doing it again. Do I have to close this hijacking window? Really not happy with the Mikome hijacking thing. I think I'm just gonna have to revert back to regular Star Sector and just manually edit my VIPRMs file. I think that's the way to go, because I can't get this working in OBS. I don't understand. Okay. Let's close TriOS. We're gonna run as administrator. Say yes. I'm getting a bunch of error messages at the bottom. Ship hole spec flare not found in zip data. Well, why is that? I didn't install that stuff. Do I need to do this all mod Mikome additional settings? Minor tweak to make games smoother? I don't know. I think this is what's screwing me over. This mods. The Mikomi is not good. I want just a regular launching thing, not a... It says Star Sector 2. Why does it say Star Sector 2? It's not Star Sector 2. So there's all sorts of things going wrong here. Okay, it's saved my selections here. Show JR32 console window. Let's unselect that. Ah, that's that little, the console window thing that pops up, okay. So you should be able to see this little Star Sector window that pops up. You can't. This is part of the game, so it needs to be visible in OBS. Let me try to add it in. This stars is no good, so we're going to delete this one. Remove it. Yeah. Now we add source. Game capture. Stars to. Okay. Specific window. Window. Star sector. Capture audio. Okay. It's not working. Oh, it's really tiny in OBS. Control F. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, this is a terrible experience. I'll hit launch here again. Play Star Sector. You see it loading? Star Sector is loaded. You do not see Star Sector loaded. Holy hell. Properties. Capture specific window. Star Sector. Okay. Okay. I've got it open. It's not working. It does not work as a source. Well, I'm staring at the Star Sector screen, but you guys can't see it. I put it into OBS as both a game capture and a window. Let me try the window. This is a game capture again. So let's hide this. Add window capture. Stars 2. Okay. There we go. It found it. Automatic capture method. Capture audio. Okay. Okay, you guys see it? You guys see it? Okay, that's good. Let's pull it down into the camera. Okay. And then click on it. And say load game, and you should see that it says no save game is found. You don't. It's still at the loading screen. No, I'm in the load game menu, and it says no save games found. It's just a big square, and there's no menu options on the right. So it doesn't work. This is not working. Again. I don't understand how to make it work. I don't understand why everything else works when I do this, but not the Mikomi. Mikomi is the only program that I've found that doesn't work with OBS. Everything else works. I don't really feel like doing a display capture and showing you my entire everything just to have one application working that I have to run as an administrator. Like, you don't have to do that with any other software out there. It's so shady. Like, they just don't know how to run their stuff properly. Essentially, what's happening. So, I can't use that. I'm not sure how other people are getting that to work with their systems. I think they're doing display capture. I think that's how they're doing it, is just using it straight as a raw display capture, which isn't the end of the world, but I don't need to do that. So I should be able to go back to Star Sector and open my Viprams file. Open with. Choose an app on your PC. It's in the Windows frickin' folder. Frickin' Microsoft, frickin' Windows. I don't fucking know. There's no just Windows folder? Son of a bee. There it is. Notepad. Open. But you cannot be associated with this type. I hate that about Windows 11. They've nerfed Notepad. I need a new Notepad software because they made their Notepad software suck. I have to open up Notepad manually. Notepad. Search for Notepad is going to open up Microsoft Bing instead of actually just fucking going there and opening it. I have to go there and open up Notepad manually. Oh my god. Windows is the worst operating system ever. It is so horrid. Oh my god. Okay. So C drive. I'm just gonna go local C, Windows, Notepad. I just want a text editing thing. Don't make me go download something right now. Where did you go? Notepad. I go pin that to the taskbar. File. Open. Okay, now we have to find C, program files, Fractal, Star Sector, all files, Viprams. Open. There it is. It says Notepad's not allowed to open these types of files. Well, here it is. It opened it. I see it. It's just text. It's literally just text. I don't see where you change the RAM and Viprams. Perm size? Max perm size? Compiler thread priority? I think I have to do another complete reinstall and not use TriOS. I think that's what's up here. Because it's like really screwed with the Viprams file. Well, I do have an original Viprams, but I am going to just uninstall and reinstall. So Fractal doesn't take very long. C, program files, Fractal. I took Star Sector off of my freaking. Yeah, I guess I deleted it. That's why I did that. Okay, uninstall. Yep, that's right. Goodbye. Next, next, next. Uninstall. Goodbye. Finish. Yeah. So the JDK thing is installing the Miko thing, which is terrible. So delete all my user files. Is that the right idea? Yeah, who cares? And then we install from scratch. Go back to downloads. Star Sector install. Yes. Next. I agree. Next. 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 It does its extractions. I say finish. Then We go back to Notepad. We say File, Open, All Files, Viprams. Okay, it is weird looking again. Alright, we're going to manually change our Viprams file. So I need to learn how to do that. What a pain in the butt. But this is really, I think, what I wanted, is just to change the RAM. I don't think anything else matters. The Java is actually making it worse because I can't use it in OBS. That's a worse ability. So it doesn't recognize it as a window or a game capture. It's a window and a game capture, so that should absolutely work. And what's weird is that it allows it in, it recognizes it as a window and or a game capture, but when you're using it in OBS, it refuses to be active. It's only active when you're tabbed out of OB. You're tabbed out and you're looking in OBS. When you're not in the game, that's the only time that it shows you what the game looks like. That just doesn't make any sense. That's just like a Java problem that they've installed on it or something. I don't know. I'm not impressed with the Star Sector coding in the background. Everything just seems way too difficult. Okay. So how to change the Viprams and Star Sector. This guy has a video. There we go.
On the third line there, if your XMS and XMX, which is what we're going to be changing, do something like this. This in my own file. This will allow for additional RAM to be allocated to Star Sector, useful for mods and so on. That's pretty much all you need.
This is not enough. Arg. I gotta do that again. Notepad++. Pre-made file. Okay. Here, I just downloaded the 6 GB RAM Star Sector Viprams file. So we're going to call it Viprams .6 gig RAM. 6 gig RAM. Okay. Say copy. We go to the other folder, Star Sector. We say paste. Continue. We call this the original. Continue. We actually do another paste. Or we just rename it and then paste it. So we have both files and the one that's currently active. So one duplicate, one will always be duplicate. That's the idea. I don't want to replace. Okay. Weird. Okay, so we should have the 6 gig now. I should be able to compare this. Let's say Notepad. Yeah. The XMS is what we want to change. And right now it's at 1536.2048. So now if I open all files, Viprams, open, get the new values. Yeah, 6144, 6144, 2048. Okay. So it's changed to 6144. Okay. I've got 64 gigabytes of RAM, so I'll give it 6. I'll let Star Sector play with 6 of the 64. And I'll keep the other 6. I'll keep the other, whatever, 50 some odd, 58. So now we want to add back in our saves and our mods. So, where did I put all that junk? In the new folder. We're just going to move all of it over there. Continue. 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 Okay. Okay. Nice. I think that should just put me right back where I was exactly. Unless it overwrote the Viprams file. So let's double check my Viprams again. Go back to Star Sector. Viprams. Open. Open in terminal. Huh. That's not what I want. Open with... Oh, that's not what I want either. Just Notepad. File. Open. All files. Viprams. Open. Okay, we still have our numbers. Very good. Now we attempt to run it. Let's see if OBS runs from my desktop shortcut of Star Sector. You should be able to see this little thing right here. The little launcher. You can. Damn, I didn't enable the mods. Just click start. I check the mods. I need to check the mods. I have to quit. Well, let's just see if it works. It's working, obviously. You guys can see it. I can see it. Everyone can see it. I have a mouse cursor. I'm going to move my camera in OBS. My dumb little face here. Come on, dumb little face. Where are you at? There you go. I like being over here when I play this game. We'll rename it here to Sector. And this one gets deleted. Cursor. I'm gonna try quitting. You guys saw that? You saw me quit? Good. I'm a quitter. Let's check the mods here in this thing. Okay. Everything is there, except it's got the Mikomi additional settings. I don't want that. Absolutely do not want that. I'm going to uninstall that right now. So close this. Mods. What? It's not even there. I don't have the Mikomi in my mods folder. It's just saying that. Oh, I do. There it is, Rogue. So delete this. I shouldn't have it in my Star Sector stuff. No. Mikomi has other things in the regular Star Sector folder. So there we go. Solving that problem. Now we run Star Sector, check the mods. No Mikomi. He like does that little XXX thing, so it's at the very bottom, so you always see it. And that's just another disreputable tactic. Like no one else does that, except ZZ Graphics. GraphicsLib is doing that. Why do that? Just spell it right like everybody else, so you can alphabetize. It's the whole purpose of alphabetization. You're just defeating alphabetization. Don't like that. It's not unified. It's not standardized. Like it needs. It's not. So it's like trying to be separate. Like, oh, look at me, I'm different. You're just one of the pack. You're not standing out. In fact, your thing doesn't even work. I can't even use it. So, sorry, can't use you. don't work. Don't want you if you're not going to work. That's how that's got to be. Here we go. Star sector's loading. You don't see the thing loading. You're not seeing the little loading bar. That's not good. Are you seeing the little planet now? No, you're not seeing the planet. Uh-oh. Took the Makomi thing out and it's broken it. If I tab out, you should be able to see it now. Yep. Oh, Makomi. Let's see, what source is it saying? The Stars 22, the new one? Ah, maybe that was the issue. Let's go back in. Does it pause? No. You see the ship. Okay, good, good, good. So if I do continue, you should be able to see the bar load. Yep, bar's loading. I'm back in. You're seeing it. You're seeing what I'm seeing. This is it. So I don't know what the deal is, but I'm having technical difficulties. But if it's working now, that's all I really care about. What I could do is stop the stream, and this has all been just a technical difficulty challenge accepted type of thing. For 40 minutes I've been hacking at this. But yeah. Worth or not worth, I don't know. It'd be worth it if it would work. I want to be playing like the advanced, the most recent, up-to-date version of things. But if it doesn't work with OBS, something is very wrong. It needs to be working like normal in OBS. I don't need to be going through extreme measures to run it as administrator and capture your entire desktop in order to see one game. No, that's not right. You're just opening the door to bigger, badder demons to come in. Once you start going off the path like that, bad things can happen. So, what I'm going to do is stop streaming, change my title, and come right back and play this game for a little while.